In today's video, we will discuss the steps to getting a tourist visa to Dubai. Who exactly needs a tourist visa to Dubai? Tourist visas are for those ineligible for visas on arrival or a visa-free entry to the UAE. It can be obtained for eligible individual tourists from around the world. However, females below the age of 18 are not eligible to apply for this type of visa unless they are traveling with their parents. What is the validity of a tourist visa to Dubai? Depending on your plan, tourist visas to the UAE can be issued for 30 days or 90 days duration, single entry or multiple entries. Recently, the UAE facilitated a 5-year visa which enables tourists to enter multiple times on self-sponsorship and remain in the country for 90 days on each visit, which can be extended for another 90 days. Who can apply for a tourist visa to Dubai? A few ways to apply include: 1. Tourist visas through airlines. Each airline has some conditions which must be met in order for your visa to be arranged by them. One of the conditions is flying with them. Check the following UAE-based airlines visa types, facilities, terms and conditions, updated and specific information, etc. Etihad Airways, Emirates Airline, Fly Dubai, Air Arabia. 2. Tourist visas through agencies and hotels. Licensed travel agents and hotels in the UAE can arrange a tourist visa for you provided you purchase the ticket through them and maintain a hotel reservation with a specific hotel. You can also contact travel agencies in your country for any tourist packages available to the UAE in collaboration with a local tour operator. Ensure the travel agency you choose and the tour operator is genuine by seeking the help of the UAE embassy in your country for verification. Note, the UAE embassies do not issue tourist visas. In order to get a tourist visa to the UAE, you need to get in touch with one of the UAE-based airlines, a tour agency or a hotel where you intend to stay in the UAE, who will apply for a visa on your behalf to the official visa issuing authorities in the UAE. Renewing or extending tourist visa. Tourist visas can be extended for 30 days twice upon applying for it and after successful approval by the relevant authority. This can be done without the need to leave the country. Visitors and tourists can apply for the second renewal before the expiry of the first one against AED 600 each time of renewal. Visa overstayers who do not renew will have to pay AED 100 fine for each day of the overstay to be calculated from 10 days after the visa expiry. However, the new rule for an extension does not apply to the following categories: visitors and tourists who are residents in GCC countries, residents accompanying GCC nationals, those on special entry permits, and those on 96-hour permits for special missions. How to apply for a UAE visa. Choose from any of the prior mentioned options: airlines, agencies, or hotels. For this video guide, we will show an example using the Fly Etihad. Let's dive in. So once you've chosen the way you intend to apply for a tourist visa to Dubai, like I stated in the video, that we're going to be showing a demo using the Fly Etihad. Here, as you can see, it gives you like details. It gives you the details on getting a UAE visa. You take the time to read down here, and after that, scroll down to where it gives you the options to figure out if you actually need a visa to the UAE. As you can see down here, it says if you're from any of these countries or regions listed below, you do not need to apply for a visa before you travel to the UAE. When you land in Abu Dhabi, simply make your way to immigration to receive a visa when you arrive. So after you check on the list down here and you don't find your country, then you know that you need to apply for a tourist visa to the UAE, specifically if you're going to Dubai. But if your country is listed in this list, all you need to do is simply scroll all the way down. First of all, scroll all the way down and then put in your details for like your flight details, and then you book a flight, because all you need is visa on arrival. You get to the embassy or the arrival dock, and then they're going to give you your visa. But if you do not see your name in any of these countries here, all you have to do is, first of all, go to what type of visa do I need. So there is a transit visa single entry, there is the 48-hour transit visa single entry, there is the tourist visa single entry, there is this tourist visa multiple entry, service visa single entry, long-term tourist visa single entry, and the long-term visit visa multiple entry with the fees on each and every one of them. Once you make your choice and you know exactly what you are applying for, because you're going to use this information when you're filling out the visa application form, you simply go down here and make your choice. Tourist visa, if you're going through transit, or for the 8-hour transit visa, you make your choice. So for this demo, we're going with a tourist visa, and here it gives you kind of a simple details of the mandatory requirements. So super important to have this in mind. I will leave this link in the description area of this video in case any of you wants to apply for a tourist visa using the Fly Etihad. So once you've gotten all the needed requirements to make your application, you now go to apply now. You hit apply now. I already did that here. It's going to show you this information similar like this, but I'm going to use this one. Just give it a little time. It's going to open up. Go to English. And then here it says available services. You can see tourist visa, service visa, transit, tourist visa multiple entries, long-term visit visa multiple entries, and long-term tourist visa and transit visa for 48 hours. You're going to make your choice here. For this demo, I'm just going to stick to tourist visa. Once you click on that, it opens up with this information here, which is exactly what I have going on right here. So I'm just going to close this page. So here you are going to choose the airport or where you're going in the Emirates. As you can see, I chose Dubai here, and then you're going to choose your arrival port. It's all up to you based on where you're going exactly. There are options here for you to make. You can choose Dubai airport. Here, as you can see, there is that option here. Then you choose your country. For this one, I believe you wouldn't have it at this point in time because you're going to follow the ones with the red asterisks, right? Then your arrival date, your email. Now you're going to follow the prompt to finish, as in the whole application. Once you fill out this information, you're going to hit next, which is going to be the applicant info. Once you hit next, now you have the option to fill out your full name, country, your nationality, your gender, your country, the country where you were born, where place of birth, your mother's name, qualification, region. Just follow the prompt. It's going to now take you step-by-step process. Once you fill out that one, it's going to take you to the addresses, the accessories info. Then you will review your application, pay your fees, and submit your tourist visa application. Again, remember, this is for people who do not need visa on arrival. So as I stated, if you are unsure, simply check these countries here. All these countries here, they only get visa on arrival. If you do not see your country here, then you would have to follow this prompt here to apply for a tourist visa. This is kind of a simple demo on how to apply for a tourist visa to Dubai using one of the options, which is through their airlines. So if you want to use an agency or apply through a hotel, those are different options. But for this demo, I showed an example using the Fly Etihad, which is one of the airlines in Dubai. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.